Hi guys, I wanted to go over Thursday's math because I had several people ask questions about that. Um, so let's look at number one. It says David and Anna are packing books into boxes. David's box is 15 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 10 inches high. Anna's box is 10 inches high, and the area of the base is 176 square inches. So we want to find the total volume for those two. And so I'm going to get just a second. Oops. Just a second, bear with me. All right, so in order to do this, we need to find a total volume. So we are going to divide it into, oh, I thought this would work, but it's not. So we're going to divide it into shape 1 and shape 2. So David's box, if we go back to that, David's box is 15 by 12 by 10. So we're going to go ahead and write 15 by 12 by 10 for him. And then it said that her box is 10 inches high and the base is 176. So you only have 2 dimensions for hers. And I totally just forgot what those were. 10 by 176. All right, so if we add these up, we get 1,800 for his. And then for hers, we get 1,760. And if we want the total volume, we have to add these up. And we end up with 3,560. That's how you would do that one. I think the other one that was causing, this one is just like that. Or I'm sorry, the bottom one is just like that. No, it's not. Let's do number 2. Isaac is packing boxes into a carton that is 12 by 18 by 6. That's the carton. The boxes are 4 by 6 by 2. How many boxes will fit inside the carton? So we have to, in order to do that one, we have to find the total volume of the carton. And the dimensions of it are 12 by 18 by 6. So for shape 1, or actually let's write carton for that one because that's carton is, and I've already forgotten what those dimensions were, 12 by 18 by 6. 12 times 18 times 6. And we can go ahead and find the volume of that. Just a second. $12 by 18 by 6 is 1296. So 1,296. Then the volume of the boxes we can find by doing 4 by 6 by 2. 4 times 6 times 2. 4 times 6 is 24, and then 2 times 24 is 48. So we have to figure out how many 48s can fit inside that total volume. So in order to do that, you would divide 1296 by 48. All right, and then that's how you would find your answer. However many 48s will fit into 1296. All right, so for the last one, and you can do that math on your own. For the last one, a gift box has a volume of 216 inches. That's the total volume. If the length of the box is 9 and the height is 2, what is the width of the box in cubed inches? Well, if we're going to try to find the total volume, we're finding that missing piece there. And I've already forgotten that. 9 by 2, which is 18. So in order to find that, you would find if the volume is 216 and it was 9 by 2, which is 18, we're going to divide that 216 by 18 to see what the missing piece is so that we can find out. We know the volume is 9 times 2 times something, and we want to find that missing piece. So that's how you do that. All right, and you can do the math on that one yourself. If you have already submitted it, that's fine. I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to do it. And that's all we have.